Hi, it's Jenna with Ashton Bee, and today I wanted to share with you one of our amazing products, and that product is our fruit feeding teething pacifier. The main purpose of these little feeders is that you can essentially open them up, put whatever food you want inside them, and then shut it, give it to your child, and they can just munch away, gum away, and introduce themselves into the amazing taste that they're going to experience with solid food. Our fruit feeders come in a 2-pack with small, medium, and large nipples, 4 in total. Baby fruit feeders are made from a high food grade silicone that is BPA, latex, petroleum, and lead free, so it's safe for babies to nibble and munch on. They're easy to clean. You can wash them with mild soap and water. You can also boil them to sterilize. So don't forget that they can go in the freezer, so you can even create breast milk pops. Best of luck with your teething babies. Bye!
I'm going to make a quick and simple post-workout smoothie in the MiiXR X7 with banana, pea protein and oats. First, add your liquid. I'm using water, about 8 ounces. Next, let's add the banana, scoop of pea protein, 2 tablespoons of oats, and finish up with the ice. Now, securely fasten the extractor blade to the bottle, nice and tight. The MiiXR X7 has both pulse and continuous blending functionality. Using the pulse feature is really intuitive, just a simple twist to the right. For continuous blending, rotate until you feel the click. "20 to 30 seconds for a smooth blend." Unscrew the lid. Now, a great feature on these Ergo bottles is the internal threads, meaning you can enjoy your smoothie right from the cup. Or if you're taking it on the go, just attach the sports lid, and you're ready to go.
PremiumBeat.com. PremiumBeat.com.